the CONCACAF Gold Cup tournament intensifies, there is a potentially embarrassing scenario that could unfold. The guest team, Qatar, could go to the final and win the final. We are told that if Qatar gets to the final and wins, then the losing finalists would be crowned the CONCACAF champions and we assume lift the Gold Cup trophy. But that to me is very confusing. We understand the concept of having guest teams. Jamaica played in the Copa America, as has Mexico, Costa Rica, and Honduras. To date, none of these guest teams have won any of these tournaments. But this Qatar situation is risky. And for the sake of CONCACAF football, I hope the USA wins. But going forward, we should put a clause in place to stop these guest teams from progressing further than the first round. Because in one of these tournaments, the guest team is going to win it. And then we are going to see how them spin it.